everyone, it's Destiny, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of passive income. You know, that magical thing that lets your money work for you even while you sleep? We're talking about building wealth, not just earning it. Because, let's face it, wouldn't we all rather be sipping mojitos on a beach somewhere than grinding away at a 9-to-5? So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom, buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's kick things off with affiliate marketing. Now, this is something I'm super passionate about because it's incredibly accessible, even if you're starting with 0 followers and $0. Basically, you're partnering with a company or an individual promoting their products or services and earning a commission on every sale you drive. Imagine recommending that awesome new productivity app to your friend, and then bam, you get a little bonus just for spreading the word. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now, the real key here is to be authentic. Don't just promote any random product. Find something you genuinely love and use yourself. Something that aligns with your values and your audience's interests. Next up, we have ebooks, which are a fantastic way to package your expertise and sell it again and again. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know a ton about? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or a master chef with secret recipes. Whatever your area of expertise, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Now, writing an ebook does take effort, but it's not as daunting as you might think. There are tons of resources available to help you with formatting, editing, and even marketing your ebook. Once it's out there, it's out there. It can generate passive income for months, even years to come. It's like having your own little knowledge ATM, constantly dispensing cash. Chapter 3, Online Courses, Building Your Digital Empire. Finally, let's talk about online courses, which are like ebooks on steroids. They allow you to dive deeper into a topic, provide more interactive and engaging content, and often command a higher price. Plus, with platforms like Teachable and Thinkific, creating and selling online courses has never been easier. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Destiny, I am no expert. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a world-renowned professor to create a successful online course. What matters most is that you're passionate about the subject and you can break it down into bite-sized, actionable steps that your students can follow. So there you have it. 3 powerful ways to start building passive income and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the work up front, building something valuable, and reaping the rewards for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these income streams and see which one resonates with you the most. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start living life on your own terms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building wealth.